Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix sleep issues on Windows 10. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and do that right now. Once you're done, we can start with the tutorial. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is go to the start menu and type in power options. Now click on power and sleep settings and scroll to the bottom of the page, or just click on additional power settings on the right. Now click on change plan settings depending on the plan that you're using. So if you're using the balanced plan, then click on the change plan settings for that one. If you're using ultimate performance, then click on that one. So I'm using balanced. I'm gonna click on the change plan settings for the balanced plan, and now once you're here, you need to click on change advanced power settings. Now find PCI Express and click on the plus next to it. Click on the plus next to link state power management also, and now you want to set both of these on off. So off and off, and click on apply, click on OK and close everything. Now what you want to do is open the start menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now type power CFG off and click on enter, and that's it. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.